dominant colors of the ambers, the oranges, and the reds create that fiery glow up here. But now even that light disappears. And now, the moon's dominating the sky. What's the next brightest object after the moon? Where is that? Mars is right here. Venus is right here as well. Yeah, 1 year, right? So every time you make a trip around the sun, you celebrate a birthday, right? It only takes Dominion 4 days to go around its star. So if you're living on Dominion, you'd be celebrating a birthday every 4 days. You'd be celebrating a New Year every 4 days, right? But the temperatures here on Dominion is only at 1,000 degrees Celsius. Yeah, that's it, right? Nice hot place to check out, right? If you've got some summer plans, maybe you want to check it out, definitely. There you go. So that really sparked the floodgates open to look for all these other worlds. And even something like this. This is a Saturn-like planet without its rings. This one is Kepler 16b. And what's amazing about Kepler 16b, it was the first planet ever discovered not to go around one star, but 2 stars. Had to be over star in our sky. You're going to see one start to pop up in the east just before the sun sets, and then shortly after that, other celestial bodies will appear as well. Yeah, you guys can see the big. And now you can see, as the sun's getting low on the horizon, right, that blue light is starting to scatter away over in the east. And now the dominant colors of the ambers, the oranges, and the reds create that fiery glow up here. But now even that light disappears. And now the moon's dominating the sky. What's the next brightest object after the moon? Point to it. What's after that one? What would the next one after that be bright? Yeah, this one. Very interesting. Very interesting. So, I have an interesting question for you guys. A very interesting question. The moon's brightest object, the brightest star is actually this star right here. Right? If you stare at it, after a few seconds, what do you guys notice? Okay? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Thank you so much. Now what do you guys see in the sky? The sun. Oh my gosh. Where's the sun? There it is. Alrighty. Now, do you guys see any stars in the sky?
No!
Is the sun a star?
No. The sun is coming from the ground.
There's the sunset. Bye, say bye, sun.
Bye, sun!
And it's actually the Earth rotating on its axis, right? So it's not actually the sun moving as much as we are. There's the next one. There it is. Yeah, there's the next bright one. And that one. Oh my god. Now, it is so amazing that you guys saw all of the light of the stars and vents the light of the stars around it, right? Which is really cool as it passes in the foreground of those black holes. But you know what? Oh, well. Let's first think about what's surrounding our galaxy. What is all these other objects? Other galaxies. Yeah, absolutely, right? Now, pick a galaxy you want to visit. Point to one that you want to visit. Now, if you pointed to a white or a blue one, congratulations, you pointed to one that's close to the Milky Way galaxy. If you pointed to a red or orange one, congratulations as well. You're quite the adventurer trying to travel to some of the furthest galaxies that are out there. But, if you could run from here in Scarborough all the way to Vancouver in 10 minutes. Right? To the other side of Canada, right to the Pacific Ocean. That's how fast you're going. It only takes 90 minutes for them to get around the space station. Holy crap. That way it has tethers that are attached to these rovers here, like Curiosity and Perseverance, and it can lower them slowly so they can land on the surface. And then what the calculator, and all these other wonders that are out there. What is that wonderful place? Who likes Earth? Yeah. Earth is the best place, I think, because it's the only place we know that sustains all this diversity of life. It allows you to be curious. It allows you to explore. It allows you to become the best version of yourself so that you can help others and make the world better. Who's going to help others and make the world better?